Hey, it's DocBron. If you're looking for healthier skin, fuller hair, and better recovery, let's talk about one of my favorite regenerative tools, GHK. GHK is a naturally occurring copper-binding peptide. Think of it as a gentle messenger that tells your cells to repair, remodel, and renew. It's widely used for skin tone and texture, hair support, and overall cellular vitality. It activates fibroblasts, the cells that make collagen and elastin, helping skin feel firmer, smoother, and more youthful. It's especially helpful for skin laxity after weight loss or with normal aging. By supporting type 1 and 3 collagen, GHK can soften the look of fine lines and help even out skin tone over time. For hair, GHK improves microcirculation and nutrient delivery to follicles. Many people use it to thicken thinning areas by supporting a longer growth phase of the hair cycle. It's also popular after microneedling, PRP, or laser. By signaling repair and calming local inflammation, it can support faster recovery and reduce post-treatment redness. Beyond skin and hair, GHK has antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. People often report steadier energy, better sleep quality, and quicker recovery from stress or exercise. Ask us if GHK is right for you.